that work on bullets tell me what this is. I have no idea what it is. When you get into a lot of suction, and everything's gonna shut down.